Here's how to install your Aria Floodlight over your existing floodlight. Step 1. Turn off all power to the installation site from your breaker box. Consult a licensed electrician if you're unsure which switch to turn off. Step 2. Remove your existing floodlight and carefully disconnect the attached wires. Step 3. Remove your old floodlight's mounting bracket before installing the mounting bracket included with your Aria. Then, apply the sticker side of the gasket onto the wall while making sure the center hole is aligned with the bracket's center screw hole. Step 4. Using the provided wire nuts, connect the two ground wires together before doing the same with the black and white wires. If you are unsure of which wires they are or how to connect the wires, consult a licensed electrician. Step 5. Tightly secure the mounting base, gasket, and mounting bracket together using the long bracket screw that's provided. Step 6. Mount the Aria by snapping it onto the mounting plate before screwing it into place. Step 7. Restore power to the installation site. You're now ready to pair your new Aria floodlight.